In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add GCash as payment method in Play Store. By the end, you'll be ready to pay for apps, games, and subscriptions using your GCash wallet quickly and securely. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Give it a moment to load and make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. You can check that by looking at the profile icon in the top right corner. Tap that profile icon to open your account menu. From the menu, choose Payments and Subscriptions. This is where Google keeps everything related to how you pay and what you're subscribed to. Next, tap Payment Methods. Here you'll see your current options, plus a section to add new ones. Now, select Add GCash. As soon as you tap this, the Play Store will securely redirect you to GCash to authorize the connection. This handoff is normal and keeps your financial details protected. On the GCash screen, follow the prompts. Typically, you'll confirm your GCash registered mobile number, receive a one-time code via text, and enter it to verify it's really you. If asked, enter your GCash MPIN and review the permissions so Google Play can bill your GCash wallet. Only enter codes on official GCash or Google pages and never share them with anyone. Once you approve the link, you'll be taken back to the Play Store. You should see a confirmation that GCash has been added, and it will now appear in your list of payment methods. From here on, when you buy an app or subscribe to a service, you can choose GCash at checkout and complete the purchase with your wallet balance. If you don't see the GCash option in payment methods, make sure your Play Store app is up to date and that your Google account region supports GCash. A stable internet connection helps too. If the one-time code doesn't arrive, check your signal and wait a moment before requesting a new code. Should the authorization page close accidentally, simply head back to Payment Methods and choose Add GCash again to restart the process. Remember, your GCash must be active and in good standing, and it helps to have sufficient balance before attempting a purchase. You can manage or remove GCash anytime by returning to the Payment Methods screen in the Play Store. That's it. You've successfully added GCash to your Play Store. Thanks for watching, and happy downloading.